Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to separate them in here. Next, we need to focus on this one. So we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to e to the power of s plus 1. Later that, we need to do first derivative for the both sides, and we have like this. So this one we change for u, e to the power of s ds we change for the u. The integration of this one, we have Fn of the absolute value of u, and I will put about c. About u, that is about this one. Now we need to focus on this one. So we need to multiply by e to the power of s. So we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to e to the power of s. Later that, we need to do first derivative for the both sides. So this one we change for u, and this one we change for u. This one with the s we change for the u. Now we need to add about u. Later that, we need to minus about u. So this one divided by this one, we have number 1. U divided by u, we have number 1. The integration of this one, we have like this. About u, that is about e to the power of s. So we need to go back in here. So the integration of this one, that is about this one. The integration of this one, that is about this one. So Fn e to the power of s, we have the formula in here. Now we need to transform this one into this one, and that is about s Fn e. Fn e, that is about number 1. So negative and negative, we change the sign. So we have negative s plus Fn of the absolute value of e to the power of s plus 1. So this one and this one, we have number 2. And here is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.